So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can lock iPhone touchscreen for a baby. So if you have a baby at your home and you don't want them to use any other app, then you can enable guided access. For this, open Settings app. Now here tap on Accessibility. In this menu, scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on Guided Access. Enable this toggle. Now tap on Continue. Now this will enable guided access. After this, open any app. For example, let's open YouTube. Now, triple press the power button. Now tap on Start. Enter the passcode of your iPhone. And this will start guided access. After this, you can't go back. Like this. To disable it, triple press the power button. Enter the passcode. And this will disable guided access. Tap on End. And that's it. Now you can go back. So this way I can lock iPhone touchscreen for a baby. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.